Hello dear viewers. I present to you the 2023 Porsche 911 Turbo. Sit back and enjoy the video. The Porsche 911 Turbo's delivery of speed is nothing short of freaky fast. Its all-wheel drive launches are courtesy a standard 573 horsepower 3.7-liter flat-six or a 640 horsepower version for Turbo S models. It's among the quickest cars, getting to 30 miles per hour in 0.8 seconds, to 60 miles per hour in 2.1 seconds, and through a quarter mile in just 9.9 seconds at 138 miles per hour. Its rocket-like acceleration is undergirded by its ability to swallow corners in whole gulps thanks to its near-magical handling, amazing steering feel, and huge amount of grip. Although the 911 Turbo doesn't offer a manual transmission, the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic is quicker and smarter than us anyway. More time with both hands at the wheel is a good idea with power like this. What's new for 2023? While the majority of equipment remains the same for the 2023 Porsche 911 Turbo and Turbo S, a limited edition Sport Classic is new this year, combining the look of the 911 Turbo with a 543 horsepower version of the Turbo's engine, rear drive, and the 7-speed manual of the normal 911. The standard turbo engine was detuned to work within the manual transmission's power limits. Only 1250 will be available globally with a price tag of $273,750. While the drop-top cabriolet version is enticing, we'd take the coupe for its purity of purpose. In addition to its tremendous power and standard performance upgrades, every Turbo S comes with 18-way adjustable sport seats, 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Bose surround sound stereo, carbon fiber interior trim, and Porsche's Sport Chrono package. Regardless of body style or engine output, the 911 Turbo and Turbo S are both rated at 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. We tested a coupe on our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route, and it earned 27 miles per gallon on the highway. As with all 911 models, the Turbo and Turbo S are technically four-seaters, although the rear seats aren't usable by adults. The cabin mirrors that of the entry-level 911 Carrera models but with racier trim, more expensive options, and plenty of standard technology features such as a reconfigurable digital gauge display. The 911 comes with a front trunk which holds 2 carry-on suitcases and the rear seat backs fold forward to create a large flat cargo area in the coupe model. In our testing, we were able to fit 6 carry-on cases behind the front seats. In addition to digital gauges in front of the driver, the 911 Turbo and Turbo S come standard with the same infotainment system as lesser 911s. The large touchscreen now runs Porsche's latest software, which includes additional features and improved functionality. A premium audio system from Bose is standard, and a Burmester stereo is optional, too. There's also wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as subscription services for Sirius XM satellite radio and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The 911 Turbo can be ordered with several high-tech driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control and night vision. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.